What's up, guys? You know what I like most about projectors? The fact that almost every one of them has a unique design. It reminds me of smartphones in the mid-2000s, when companies, especially Nokia, experimented with design of their mobile devices. I hope projectors will not look like each other in the near future like smartphones do now. The latest trend among projectors is a rotating stand, and you know, that's really convenient. You can project an image onto the wall from almost any angle and even onto the ceiling. The new Extravis Projector also has a 360-degree stand. Going back to the design, this projector looks very nice and cute. Do you agree? As for the features, the Extravis Projector has auto Keystone and electronic focus, 500 ANSI Lumens Brightness, Wi-Fi and two-way Bluetooth support. By the way, this is an ultra-budget projector for only $109 on Amazon. As usual, we are going to test this projector in detail, and we will start by unboxing it. You know, the box is quite small, so the projector must be very compact. By the way, on the box we can read the main features of the projector, such as 3 watts audio, native 720p resolution, 1080p and 4K support, electronic focus adjustment, and a 50 to 100% zoom. Opening the box, we see that the projector takes up almost all the space. You know, it is not as compact as I thought it would be, but it is not big either. We will come back to the size a little later. There is also a user manual and another white box with a power cable, HDMI cable, remote control, and a cloth to wipe down the lens. That's it. Let's go back to one of the most important things about this projector, the design. As I already said, that I like the way it looks, combination of white, gray and black colors, as well as a rounded shape. You know, if it were not for the stand, the projector would be very compact. However, with the stand, its dimensions are 230 by 140 by 140 millimeters. The weight is 1180 grams. Don't think I'm complaining, because I'm a fan of rotating stands. It makes using the projector very convenient, because you don't need a tripod. By the way, the projector rotates smoothly on the stand, but still holds the angle very well. There is the Extravis logo and the lens on the front. I don't see an auto Keystone sensor or even infrared receiver for the remote here. It looks like there is only one IR sensor on the back. Among the connectivity options are USB port, 3.5mm audio, HDMI port, and DC-in power. The round grille on the back is a speaker, while the large rectangular grille is a ventilation window. There is another vent window at the bottom. As you can see, the projector doesn't have a tripod mount on the bottom, because you don't need one. There is only a sticker with the technical specifications on it. Among the control buttons there are only power on-off, so you will need to use a remote control. You know, this is very simple remote, but I see it has focus adjustment buttons. So the projector really has electric focus adjustment. Overall, the new Extravis projector has a nice design, and I like the rotating stand. But let's turn it on and look at the image quality. Since the projector has a rotating stand, I'm glad it comes with automatic Keystone correction. It would be very inconvenient to manually adjust the Keystone every time you change the position of the stand. If your projector doesn't adjust Keystone manually, make sure this function is enabled in the settings menu. You know, the Keystone correction works very quickly, but I noticed that the image gets distorted when the projector is tilted a lot. For example, here the projector is pointed directly at the wall, and we can see the flat screen edges. And here it is pointed higher, and the image is distorted. The projection screen becomes more square when you point the projector high up. The Extravis H1 doesn't have a smart system, so there are no apps here. You can go to the media and then open video, music and photo from external media, such as a USB flash drive. There are also 4 screen mirroring options on the home screen. We will check it out a little later. Then we have Wi-Fi, HDMI, and settings. Let's take a look at the settings menu. First, there are picture settings, where you can change the image mode and color temperature. There are also 5 sound modes available on this projector, such as standard, music, movie, sport, and user. General settings include OSD language, factory reset, Wi-Fi, auto sleep, software, and a network update. It looks like the Extravis H1 projector supports bidirectional Bluetooth. We will also check it out a bit later. Finally, there are projection settings with the following options: flip, window zoom, zoom screen reset, automatic trapezoid, vertical keystone, and trapezoidal reset. Okay, now let's try screen mirroring. So there are 4 mirroring methods on this projector, such as iOS mirroring, Mirrorcast, iOS wired, and wireless screencast. I will be using Mirrorcast because I have an Android phone today. However, first, you need to connect the projector to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Now just take your phone, go to Cast Screen and select the projector. Note that you cannot watch Netflix or other streaming services this way, but you can watch YouTube with no problem. As for the Bluetooth connection, the projector supports two-way Bluetooth, so you can connect an external speaker or headphones to it, and the sound will come from them instead of the built-in speaker.
Connected.
The second way is to connect a smartphone to the projector, and then the sound will come from the projector's built-in speaker instead of the phone speaker. By the way, the Extravis H1 is equipped with a single 3-watt speaker. I think it is a key for the compact projector if you use it in a small room. You should also pay attention to fan noise when choosing a projector. As for the Extravis H1, its noise level next to the projector is 46 decibels. And 44 decibels at 1 meter. The projector is not noisy, so it will not distract you from watching a movie. Finally, let's move on to image quality. You know, it is an ultra-budget projector, so I think it is meant for small spaces. For example, I placed it about 2.5 meters away from the wall and got a 70-inch screen. The maximum screen size of this projector is about 100 inches. By the way, I connected the projector to my laptop via HDMI cable. It says 1080p resolution, but the native resolution is actually 720p. Overall, the text is readable, but it is a bit blurry. Let's watch some videos and then I will give my opinion on it.
Something. I get this feeling I don't think we're supposed to be here.
The Leopolds donated this entire nature preserve. And they care about a lot of things, not just pharmaceuticals.
Fine. I will sit there and smile.
Sorry,
What happened? You walked from the airport or what?
It's perfect timing.
Promise.
Do I hear people?
Those aren't people. Cock 'em. You guys! We got this! We got this! Bring it on, Coco!
Sideline, timing route. Brooks goes up to catch it. Turpin has a hole in Cavante Turpin.
Houston Bishop fought off, and Skinner reaches for the rebound, and he's got it underneath his left hand. So that was very late. Tough player to take out of your lineup. Nick Houston down low on the right-hand side. So you've got Stenlin flanked by Kerfoot and Carcone on this line for Utah's, but Bolson walks in. Draisaitl across to Edelman.
There it is. I will just watch you do the hard work. There it is.
Let's get to work.
The manufacturer claims that the brightness of this projector is 500 ANSI, but I don't believe it. I don't have a lux meter, so I cannot tell you exactly how much brightness it has, but I have tested many projectors, and I can tell you from my experience that there is no 500 ANSI lumens here. For example, it is pretty hard to watch on the projector in a room with lights, especially movies. Sports games, on the other hand, are fine.
Holmes and company. Kelsey's got the catch, and we've got our first down of the second half. 49er and Richie James, and his first down for Mahomes and company. Kelsey's got the catch, and we've got our first down.
But there was one little secret. You look so beautiful.
Yeah, it's probably because I'm pregnant.
But there was one little secret. You look so beautiful.
Yeah, it's probably because I'm pregnant.
So what I liked and disliked about Extravis H1 projector. Of course, I like the design and rotating stand. The projector looks cute, while the stand makes it convenient to use on the wall or even ceiling. On the other hand, when the projector is tilted a lot, the image is distorted. Wi-Fi and two-way Bluetooth support are very good for a budget projector. As for the image quality, the native 720p resolution is enough for watching videos in a small room, but the brightness is pretty low. There is no 500 anti-lumens here as claimed by manufacturer. However, I cannot demand much from a $100 projector. It is good for its price. Thank you for watching. See you soon!